Hey superheroes in training. Welcome to the Ironman Learning Curriculum by Code Your Electronics. In this video, we'll give you a basic overview, learn what's connected to what in Ironman's suit, and go over the basic coding functions you'll use throughout your journey. This is your main learning hub. At the top, you'll see your progress bar. It keeps track of how far you've come on your mission to becoming a coding superhero. In the top right corner, there's a little moon icon. This toggles dark mode, perfect for nighttime coding. Next you'll find an orange button that opens up a video that lets you play the step-by-step video for quick overview of the learning curriculum page. You'll also find a handy toggle button that lets you show or hide the Ironman Port Map, which we'll explore next. The port map shows you exactly which components are connected to which ports on your microcontroller board. It's like Ironman's blueprint. Here are some cool highlights. Arc radiator LEDs connected on D2, D8, D10, D11, D12, D13. These are the glowing chest lights that power up Ironman's suit. Flying effect LED, D3, lights up his hands and legs like he's flying. RGB LED on D5, D6, D9, these change colors in the arc reactor. Laser diode, on D4, fires a red laser from his hand. Eyes LED on D7, lights up Ironman's eyes when he's active. Extra peripherals on A5 and D5, D6 for more add-on on the right and left shoulders. IR sensor, A6, detects enemies or motion in front. Push buttons, and, used for triggering actions on the left and right legs. Scroll down to the basic functions section. A handy toggle button that lets you show or hide the basic functions. The two main functions every Ironman sketch use helps you in every class. First is setup. This runs once when the board is powered on. Here, you define your pin modes, start sensors, or open communication. Then comes loop. This runs forever in a cycle. You'll write the main logic here, like turning on LEDs or checking button presses. To help you code like Tony Stark, here are some essential commands you'll use a lot. Now, on the left side of the screen, there's your main lesson list. Each lesson is numbered and comes with basic to expert coding. Class 1, Ironman's chest arc light. Class 2, chest pulse light, and so on. There is also a restart button that clear your progress and restart your journey again. Clicking a lesson opens its full tutorial. Let's look at class 1. A pink and red button lets you watch a tutorial video for the class. Next is the magic code box, with the actual code you'll upload to your kit. Then comes the best part, the step-by-step superhero action. This walks you through each line of code in plain English. At the bottom of every lesson are navigation buttons. Previous, go back to the last class. Next, jump to the next class in your journey. Complete, click to mark this class as finished. It updates your progress bar. Start coding. This red button is your launchpad, click it to begin coding right away. So that's your full walkthrough of the Ironman Learning Curriculum. Click around, experiment, and enjoy building like a tech genius. Your next invention is just a blink away. Don't forget, you're not just learning to code. You're training to be a tech superhero. Let's suit up, power on, and start coding.